Alrighty, looks like we have some umbrellas, but these are pretty cheap kind of umbrellas. I'm surprised that they want more than $1.50 for these. They're looking for 4. Looks like 3 here. So for the most part, this store is like $1.50 for everything, and then if there's something that they want more money for, then they will price it otherwise. So far, I'm not really seeing anything that really jumps out at me. Last week, they had a bunch of Christmas clearance and that kind of stuff, but nothing really that I needed after all of the Christmas shopping that I was doing at Target and Walmart. So we got some sort of hats. Poncho. Interesting that you're able to find clothes here, I suppose, if you're in a pinch or looking for some interesting t-shirts. What else do we have here? Keep a simple life to let nature take her course. That's cute, but not really worth $1.50 in my eyes. Some cute Valentine's Day stuff. Little teddy bear. Oh, these little teacups are cute. Yeah, I'm actually really excited to be showing you some of the glassware that this store has, because a lot of that is a pretty good deal. These little piggy banks are so cute. Only $1.50. Shower curtains. Pretty much everything in here is what you would find like at a dollar store, but with different kind of marketing. We've got some nice little gift boxes though, and for $1.50, that's really not so bad. And these are all really pretty cute. It's interesting. Yeah, so you could probably find some nice little cute gift boxes here, and for $1.50, that's a pretty good deal. If these were like $1.50, I would say that's not half bad, but these are $3, which in my opinion is kind of a ripoff. You could probably find these like on AliExpress or even Wish for way cheaper. Got some socks here. Any fuzzy socks? Looks like we just have some toe socks. So some interesting finds here if you're not minding paying a little bit more, even at sports bras, but at $7, meh, pass. Sure, what we got going on here. Some sort of like little fuzzy bag, which I actually feel like that would be really cute for my camera. I like this little cat purse, but it's $3, so I definitely don't need any of this. But this drawstring pouch, I wish it was like fluffy on the inside, but I definitely don't need any of that. But some cute stuff, like some little like tote bags or lunch bags. And looks like they have some cards here for $1, but you're better off getting 2 for $1 at the dollar store. $3 for all of these. This is cute. Or even this one too, but for $4, no thank you. An interesting part of the Japanese dollar store. Some little hats, toys. These are actually pretty interesting. I've been actually wanting to get one of these, but I'm not exactly sure. Looks like this is $6, which is kind of ridiculous. But if it was $1, I would say for sure. I don't think that this actually stays. But yeah, for $6, I don't really think it's worth it. Do you? That are really cool and unique finds are all of these fans, and actually I really like to get these for like photo shoots and kind of like a nice little accessory. I think I'm gonna get this one just because of these sunflowers for Allysun sunflower. What other ones do you think I should get? I don't know. There is this one though too, this blue one. I think I might get both because you can just never have too many sunflowers. I also like to get the lanterns, and These pretty big ones are actually a pretty nice deal. If you put an LED light in, it makes for a very cool, nice decorative lights. Some interesting decorations here. The little panda, that's cute. This is interesting. $4, not bad, it's pretty big. How about some frames? Although, I like to get the frames at the dollar store. I think they're a lot better. Plus this is like plastic and you'd find that at the dollar store for $1. Although I did get this Buddha last time. And that's pretty neat. I feel like I'm just going to like color over that, spray paint it, and make it my own. So you can find some really cool like home decor stuff here. One of a kind, and looks more expensive than what you actually paid for. We have some pillows here, but they are all actually $3 and up, so I would say probably steer away from these. I know that IKEA has some really cheap pillows that you can get and just put some covers over top. So for the cost of $3, not worth it. Some storage stuff though, maybe a pretty good deal. Looks like these are $2. Something for maybe your makeup here, which wouldn't be half bad, but I've seen better at the dollar store. These are pretty cute too, and they don't look like they're from the dollar store. And do they have any bigger sizes? Nope. So, meh. Here we are with some more storage kind of items. These are pretty cute though for like a wastebasket or something like that. Not half bad. Definitely another place to check out besides spending some money at Target or Walmart for that. And looks like we also have some Tupperware containers here. Looks like they're no cheaper than $3, so probably find something better for plastic storage at the dollar store. Alright, so here we have like some glass plates and glassware items. And they're usually marked, I think, if they're a little bit more. But these would be so cute just to be able to have in your cabinets, and even like these little guys. So adorable. And they even have a cat. They actually have quite a big variety here, which is surprising. And something like this, you would think that you wouldn't get this at like a dollar store. So things like this may be a good find for you. Just whatever really you need, then stock up. It's very interesting. $14 for something like this. For this cooking pot, like a sake set, and tea sets. Yeah, so I think it definitely has some good things about the selection and variety, but not necessary to be spending quite a bit of money here, because this stuff is definitely not expensive, and some of the stuff is definitely not worth the money that you're investing in it. Maybe. Oh, another interesting place is to get some kitchenware here. So if you are on a budget, not bad. You get some strainers, even like these little hot pots. Things are cute too. I like the little flowers. So yeah, keep an eye out, at your local Japanese dollar store for some of these really unique finds. Actually, you can find some things for a pretty decent deal, but also be pretty picky about where you're spending your money, because at the dollar store you can find a lot of comparable stuff for just $1. There's some things in the beauty aisle, some sort of like face roller. Not sure about that. Some sort of nail kind of little thing, but I doubt that would really stay on for very long. But I actually did get this the last time here. I was at the dollar store, and I think I'm gonna pick up a couple extras because I actually really like this product. And supposedly there's SPF in here, but I doubt it's broad spectrum. But this was actually a really pigmented product with very cheap cost. Never heard of the brand though, so Also, they have some sort of foundation here for 50 cents. Not sure if I would really trust it. Supposedly SPF of 20. But yeah, it's kind of hard to know, but since this is just like a bronzer highlighter, then yeah, I don't mind spending 50 cents on this at all. Another good place to look at eyelashes is the Japanese dollar store. You get 3 for $1.50, so that's actually not so bad of a deal. And yeah, just have your own eyelash glue, and they're actually pretty nice. They have like a lot of different varieties. Jewelry stand, skeptical about something like that, but some hair supplies, This is what I got here at the Japanese dollar store. I got 2 fans. I got these 2 for 50 cents and $1.50, of course, for my little beverage.